Have you ever wished you could grab all the important information from a website without wasting hours copying and pasting? Maybe you need product prices for your store, competitor listings for research, or even job postings for recruitment. Well, today I want to show you a tool that makes all of this possible in just 2 clicks. It's called Thunderbit, and honestly, it feels like hiring an intern who reads through websites and instantly puts everything into a neat table for you. So, what exactly is Thunderbit? It's an AI-powered Chrome extension that completely changes the way you collect data. There's no coding, no complicated setup. You simply open a page, tell it what you want, and Thunderbit organizes everything automatically. It's built for marketers, e-commerce teams, salespeople, and researchers who don't want to waste time on manual work. Let me show you what I mean. With a real example, I'm on the Lego website searching for spaceships. Normally, you'd have to open each product, note down the name, the price, maybe grab an image, and then repeat the process over and over again. With Thunderbit, you just click the extension, hit AI Suggest Fields, and the tool immediately detects the product names, the prices, and even the pictures. Then you press Scrape, and in seconds you have a complete table with all the data you need. And if you want to go deeper, Thunderbit can even follow links into each product subpage to pull extra details. That's competitor analysis done in minutes, not hours. Now, let's look at another use case. Job listings. Imagine you're on the McLaren Careers portal. Instead of clicking through every role, copying job titles, locations, and links one by one, Thunderbit does the heavy lifting. It recognizes the job title, the department, the location, and the application link, and lays everything out for you in a structured format. This isn't just faster, it's the difference between spending an afternoon on a boring task and having it all done before you even finish your coffee. Thunderbit also shines when it comes to building lead lists. For example, if you're browsing faculty pages from the University of Michigan, the extension can pull names, positions, and profile links all at once. What used to be manual copy-paste suddenly becomes effortless, and your entire lead database is ready in just a few clicks. Once you've got your data, exporting is just as easy. Thunderbit connects directly to Google Sheets, Airtable, or Notion, so you can move your results straight into your workflow. That means no messy downloads or extra steps. Your scraped data is ready to use right away. What really sets Thunderbit apart, though, is how smart it is. It doesn't just scrape the obvious stuff. It can dive into subpages, handle infinite scrolls, and even work with PDFs and images when you need it too. And on top of that, it comes with handy pre-built templates for sites like Amazon or LinkedIn, so even beginners can get professional results instantly. And the best part? It's designed for real people, not just developers. The interface is clean, simple, and intuitive. So, to wrap this up, Thunderbit isn't just another scraping tool. It's a smarter, faster, AI-powered way to collect the information you need, without the stress, without the code, and without the endless copy and paste. If you're in e-commerce, sales, HR, or research, this is one of those tools that can actually change the way you work. You'll find the link in the description, so go ahead and try it for yourself. And if this walkthrough was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who could use a little extra automation in their life.